Hi, this is Gavin here from Mindset, and I'd like to share with you our new BW app for Fiori. So what you can see here is your Fiori Launchpad with typical application groups, for example, your pay stubs or sales order applications. What we did was we added a new tile here from the analytics group called BW Query, where you can slice, dice, visualize, and share data. We also have a little live indicator here that shows the number of queries you have available in your system to pull in. So when you click on this tile, you can get to the application, and in the menu on the left you can go through and pick any of the different queries you have in the system. You could also sort by catalogs. I'll pull up the sales order query, for example. In this query, what we can do now is you can see your area to select dimensions and also select measures, and this button here to add in filters. So I'll just add in a few dimensions that I'm familiar with. First the material, and then a sales org. And then I'll also select a measure for incoming orders value. Now that you've selected a few of these basic ones, you can load the data and just get a sense of the type of information you have in here. So it came back pretty quickly here, and you can see the different materials and sales organizations and incoming orders. We could also just briefly sort maybe descending order here by incoming orders value, just to get a little bit more sense to the data. So some big incoming orders for firefighting vehicles, for example. So what I'll do is maybe filter the data down to a smaller set. Maybe I001 for the sales org. So I added in here a filter, I001, apply that. And now you can see the data set's a little bit more manageable. Maybe just 20 or 30 rows here with one really big order for iPhone 5. So from here what you could do is you could really just share your URL or save it as a tile. But let me show you the charting capabilities we've added in for visualization. So when you click on charts here, you can see, well, clearly the iPhone 5 is the biggest seller. And you can start switching the different chart types based on what you'd like to see. So column charts, maybe we'll switch to an area chart. You can see how it switches very fluidly. Or a pie chart, that might be nice. And highlight the different items. Let's see, maybe we want to see the iPhone 4S in Italy. Okay, that was 18 million in sales there. What I really like also is the tree map. It shows in order really the different size of the sales. So there's your incoming orders, and you can go and change the title of this report if you like, or switch back to the table view. So let me just show you real quick the sharing capability as well, which makes it so you can really save all these different dimensions, measures, and filters and put it on your home page so you can come back to it easily. I can click the Save As button here, put a title in, a subtitle, maybe even put some information like iPhone sales, and then you can choose your group if you like. I'll leave it at my home and press OK. And now that tile is saved. Now you can see if you go back to your home page now, scroll to the top, you've got your tile. Go in there, we'll now pre-filter and go right to the screen with all of your dimensions selected. Thanks so much for listening. Have a good day.